we don't stand, who will? On earth. The wind comes in four corners, four directions, four colors. And death rides on four horsemen. A black snake with some black tanks. How much money do these companies need to make? They could drop their product, but they wanna save a buck. Already extracted billions, when is enough? I used to be in the oil fields, getting paid, but I quit, cause oil water I can't drink. Look down and see Kamimi Ladai in the mud. I looked up and told myself that enough's enough. Money does not own my soul, living comfortable. It's not in my plans, my hands in the sand. Some things were more than gold. Some things they can't be sold. Some things can't be replaced. She's your mother, the fresh water is her veins. What is going on? Have we all lost our minds? Every human needs clean water to survive.
We're sorry, your call cannot be called.
Love is the strongest, this path is the hardest. But if we were strong enough to do it, we wouldn't see it. Our prayers would not be needed, this movement's very needed. Indigenous wisdom unheeded and sacred things depleted. I'm Mexicano, Malacota, and I'm white too. I'm mixed with everyone, so part of me's just like you. Every group of human beings shares the same stars. And if the earth is not your mother, are you from Mars? Since 1492, 500 years and counting. Surviving the genocide they call colonizing my turtle island.
What is a fossil fuel? Continued destruction, nothing new. Live in a system, taking our children, shifting their feelings till nothing's true.
I had that money in front of me, but I left it, cause oil money's dirty if my mother gets disrespected. We're disconnected, these times are hectic and feeling heavy, but still we love all living beings and suffer for the many. We are peaceful people, that's why we walk with prayer. And if that wasn't true, we wouldn't be standing here. We're peaceful people, we walk with prayer. Turtle Island, have no fear. Despite what they show in the media, we're kind people, hold your ground. Change is coming now.
Our DNA is of earth and sky.
Bismillah. Xuan living by the G code. What the f is fleek though? Don't ask them, what do we know? What I forgot is better than whatever they remember. Never mind, I'm off it, it's quiet form. Time to put the temper tantrums to the quiet corner. Hush, that's enough, said the ruler. No suckers allowed to break bread or asunder. The daylight, lightning and the thunder. The sun, moon, the stars and the hunger. Abundance in bundles, blessings and troubles. Towers and tunnels, views and valleys, waves and peaks. Streets you from, son? Planet Earth, and ain't scared of no Mars attack. What type of bars is that? Stay off my jack. I'm up they corny riot garments, top 5 dying on them. Super fly, slicker top rope, equal diving on them. You why you lying, homie? You won't play with my emotions, smoky. Big chief, heart rate, big beat, B-E-Y, Yasiin, straight jacket, come clean, big said it was a dream, now it's a living thing, with you and living kings, I mean it, I mean it, Yasiin and Yasiin in the R-E-D, I mean it, original nation, with on solid, I mean come clean, Yasiin and Yasiin and the R.E.D. Original nation, we bond solid, we're with you and living, you know with you and living.
Confronted by the ally nation, alien nation, the subjects and the citizens see the material religions through trauma and numb. Nothing is related. All the things of the earth and in the sky have energy to be exploited. Even themselves, mining their spirits into souls sold. Into nothing is sacred, not even their self. The ally nation, alien nation.
Emergency on planet Earth. The currency is murder, you a man of worth. They say the day is coming, drumming that you can't reverse. Watch the banner burn before the cannon burst. Don't chase an illusion, the nation hallucina. Hallelujah, taste of the future. The people, the shower, the pistol, the coward that's facing the future. Lonely martyrs, magic carpets, dirty blankets, Coca-Cola, soul controller, holy waters. Middle East mode, sand glorious, cheat code in Babylonian the Orient. My superhero got the people power. Yasiin and Yasiin, you should heed the hour.
With you and living kings, I mean it, I mean it. Yasiin and Yasiin in the R.E.D. I mean it, original nation, with on solid, I mean it, straight jacket, come clean, Yasiin and Yasiin in the R.E.D. Original nation, with on solid, with true and living.
I don't know if you can see this, but you can actually see the drops of rain coming at you.